Did you know that you are now able to export your transactions history from the web? Previously, you need to email support in order to get your transactions history. Now, you can export it from your account. To export your transactions history, navigate to your Lykke account and go to Dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, make sure that you are on Funds section. Then, click History. You will find all your operations as the default filter of your transaction history. You may also filter your transaction history according to its specific operation. To deposit and withdraw, to only export the deposits and withdrawals operations on your account. Trading, for all trading operations. You may switch to each filters, then click Export to CSV button to download the report in CSV format. After downloading the file, you may open it using any Excel sheet viewer.